trouble, but we don't really care.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. I am jumping straight into today's video, as you can see, and on a fall weekday in the morning, before I even get out of bed, I will spend a few minutes responding to comments and messages and doing a mental prep of everything I need to get done that day.
I don't wanna do this anymore.
And next up, before I even leave my bedroom, I'm going to put on the outfit that I will work out in. That way I'm already dressed, so I might as well work out. For me, that is a little more motivating that way and a little more of a push. And then I'm going to make my bed, and I always like to do this first thing just because I feel like I have the day started and I'm ready to go and get things done. When I leave my bedroom, I will open up all the blinds and curtains. I can't stand when they're shut during the day. I just like to bring in as much sunlight as possible. And then I'm going to make a cup of coffee, and I'm using a wifey mug that I got from Chad. He bought it at Home Goods for me one day, and I'm making one of my Nespresso pods like I do so often. I'm always sharing this with you guys. I'm using a caramel flavor. I really wish they would do like a pumpkin or a pumpkin spice for fall, but I really like this flavor too. And then inside the milk frother, I will use a little bit of a vanilla flavored almond coffee creamer and a splash of regular almond milk. And I just turn that on and it will shut off automatically once it's done. It will froth it, and also it warms it up. And I find once you let it sit there for about 30 seconds after it's done spinning, it gets a lot thicker and fluffier. It's almost like a whipped cream, as you guys can see. So I let a little bit go inside the coffee and stir it around, the rest on top, and it is delicious. While I start my coffee, I will listen to Amazon Alexa for notifications and news, and she just told me my shoes were arriving today. That's why I gave you guys that look. I will show them to you a little bit later within this video, and then I also will put away anything that was left out from the night before. I typically will wash some things at night, and then in the morning while I start my day, I will get all that stuff put away. I'm rinsing out the milk frother with an apple cider soap from Mrs. Meyer's, and this scent, you guys, I am so obsessed with for fall. It smells really good. It makes me actually want to clean, so that is a huge plus. And all of these products I got through Grove Collaborative. I always link them down below if you guys want to check them out for cleaning products. They have amazing products at really great prices. And after that, I'm going to use the multi-surface and apple cider and wipe down all of the kitchen counters. And now that the kitchen is ready to go for the day, I head to the living room and I just straighten it up really quickly. I will put away anything that was left out from the night before. There almost always is a water glass or two on the coffee table, so I'm surprised that there's not today. And then I just fluff the pillows, fold the throw blankets, and now I'm going to make a smoothie. I almost always am a scrambled egg person in the morning, but for some reason I have been loving this smoothie. It's extremely refreshing. It only has a few ingredients, and I think you guys will really like it too. The first two ingredients are spinach and celery. I don't do any measurements. I just throw in what I feel like that day, and I'm going to wash these in a salad spinner. And by the way, I know this is so random, but I always tell you guys the most random stuff. This salad spinner is really good quality. I bought it on Amazon. I will link it for you. And I'm just so happy because I've had a lot of them that have broken and cracked, and I finally have a good one. I swear, the older you get, it's the most random things that make you the happiest, and I'm just happy that I don't have to worry about having a really bad one anymore. last 3 ingredients are some cucumber, lemon, and mango. For the cucumber, I do a little less than half of a standard size cucumber. For lemon, I only do a single slice, and I do remove the rind, that way it isn't really bitter. And for the mango, it is frozen, and I do a little more than a handful. I'm going to add in a splash of water, and that is it, you guys. It's so simple and easy, but really delicious, and I blend it until it is completely smooth. Pour it into a glass, and I'm going to use a metal straw, and these are the straws from the best Amazon products I use every day video. I love those. I also will wash out the blender right away, that way there's nothing that sticks to it, and once it's dry I can put it away and it's good to go for tomorrow. And now that the house is ready to go for the day, I have my coffee and my smoothie. I'm going to get some computer work done, and I'm just working on a video right now, and I also am responding to you guys in emails. I'm showing a lot of your comments in this video, so let me know if you guys see one of your comments. I think that'd be really cool to have you guys see it on the video, and I do respond to all of you, so write one below if you haven't yet. I would love to hear from you, and I really am one of those people who loves to wake up in the morning and get ready right away, put on my hair, makeup, outfits, but I find when I do that, I spend an insane amount of hours in a row sitting on the computer, like 6 hours sometimes. So if I break it up throughout the day, I don't get stir crazy. I can do a few hours and then get ready, a few hours, do something else, and it just ends up working way better that way for most days. While I'm on my first round of computer work, this typically lasts an hour and a half to 2 hours. I will go through my schedule and my planner, write everything down I need to get done, and just make sure I'm well aware of what's there so I don't forget anything. And now it's time to get in that workout. So I told you guys earlier, I get dressed right away for my workout. That way when I'm feeling lazy, I just think about the fact that I'm already dressed and ready to go, so I might as well do it. And I did a video recently, I will put a card up above, but in that video I talk about working out at home, the best YouTube channels for workouts, and a lot of really good ideas. I definitely encourage you to check it out if you haven't seen it. But I like to start with 30 minutes of either running, walking, or both. And my first preference is always that I do this outside, but since it's fall, it's starting to get really cold and rainy, so that has been inside a lot more often. And then I either will watch a YouTube video on a workout and follow that workout, or I will do some weight training like I am today. Within the next few weeks, I'm doing a video on fall outfit inspiration, a bunch of fall trends, and I ordered a pair of shoes. They just got here. I thought I would do a little first impressions with you guys. I'm so excited about these. I'm just bringing them into a little bit better light, but how cute are these? I'm going to be talking about them in detail and how to wear them and style them in the fall video. But I will link them for you. I just think these are so adorable. I love that they have a little bit of a platform in them, and they look extremely comfortable. And now that I am all showered, it's time to pick out an outfit and do all of that stuff. I did skip over skincare because I want to do a skincare video for you guys in the next few weeks of all the products that I use and just talk about everything in detail. And then I'm going to do all of my makeup next, and I did an everyday full coverage makeup look about a month or two ago, and nothing has changed since that video. That's why I'm just going to run through it for you guys fairly quickly, but I'm a creature of habit when it comes to makeup. I use a lot of the same products. I do a very similar look on an everyday basis, and I always describe it as plumped up but still natural. So I like to look like I have on makeup, but I don't do anything wild or crazy. I do everything fairly neutral. So yeah, I just thought I'd run through it so you guys could see start to finish, but pretty much it's the same stuff that I've always used. I'm all dressed now. I fixed that smear of mascara that I did, so I'm just putting away those last few things in the sink from my breakfast smoothie, and now I'm going to spend a little more time on the computer, probably about an hour or two, and just get done some more work there and just breaking it up like I said, so I won't spend way too many hours in a row on the computer. And then I'm going to start filming, and I'm doing a Target shop with me, and I'm doing a giveaway as well in that video. It will be the next video on my channel. I'm super excited about this one. I know you guys love fall theme videos. I love filming fall theme videos, so that is going to be a really good one. Definitely subscribe and hit the bell so you guys are notified when that video is posted, and please give this video a like if you did enjoy it. Write a comment down below. I will get back to you. Thank you so much for spending the time with me, and I will see you guys right here in a few days in a brand new video. Bye!